Good morning folks, it's Captain Rugwash here. Sorry if I sound a bit muffled, but I've got a dust mask on because I've just been dusting these 3 rugs. A nice one on the top, the blue one, the red one, and believe it or not, that's a faded pink rug. That's turned to orange colour. But all these 3 are from a customer in Plymouth. She's had them for many years. Just moved back to Plymouth from Taunton. So she wanted these rugs just a quick clean. And the reason I've got a dust mask on is because this is all the dry soil that came up. Now this would be sand and dust from where these beauties were weaved, transported over here. So we've got some dirt from Iran, we've got some Devon dirt in there, got a little bit of Plymouth dirt. You can see all the sand. Once I sweep it up I'll show you what's in it. Lovely, but it is extremely dusty. So health and safety, I have my mask on. So let's just break this down. Look at that. How cool is that? You can literally see the levels of that. So we've got one colour of sand, a reddy colour sand. Let's break this apart a bit. You can see how deep it is. Literally, as my finger disappeared, so it's a good 2-3 inches deep. This is all the hair of a dog. That's dog animal hair. Oh, there's a spider. We'll just put him down there. So there's loads: human hair, dog hair, dog skin, human skin, dirt, germs, insects, wherever he's gone. Where's he gone? There'll be loads in there. There'll be human waste, any pollutants that you bring in from outside. It's pretty cool. Look at all that. So yeah, this is an important step in cleaning the rug, because this is all dry soil now, which, as you can see, was easily taken out of the pile of these rugs, deep in that pile. So there's not much. Most of these rugs are worn, so there's not much pile. So it is surprising how much dirt stays in the rugs, which is why rugs and carpets are more healthier than hard floor, but that's another video post. So yeah, if you were just to go and get a hired machine or someone else to clean the rug in the home, those dyes are going to bleed in the rug, and they're going to bleed onto the carpet of the home. And if you don't get that out and you just get it wet, that's going to turn into mud in the pile. And it's going to be very, very difficult to get it all out. So you can imagine your patio in the summer. You can just dust all the soil off. It's fine like that. In the winter, that soil with the rain turns to mud, so you can't actually sweep it away. It's like the same principle with rugs. We need to get all that out of there before we soak it in our pit. Very important stage. If you don't get it all out, then in the drying process it can create all sorts of havoc. The rug badger we use gets about 80%, I think, of all the dry soil out, and then obviously because we've loosened it with the rug badger, obviously more comes out in the wash pit and in the actual wash process, and then the final stage is back in it. So I don't know, we're probably getting anywhere between 80 and 90% of all the dry soil out of the rugs. So yeah, that's the dry soil, all sorts of awesome funky stuff in there. And that's 3 rugs this morning ready to be cleaned. Alright guys, happy Friday, and I hope you all have a good weekend. Catch you later.